Hey guys, this is Mama Maid. Welcome back to another Coupon Topic Tuesday video. I have a whole bunch of these that I will have linked in a playlist in the description box below. So definitely check that out if you're new to my channel. I'm also up for suggestions for new topics or questions you'd like for me to devote a whole video to. So definitely leave those also in the comments below. And let's go ahead and get started with today's topic. So in today's video, I'm going to go over some Ibotta hacks that I have come up with over the years that I have been using Ibotta. I just have 5 for you. It's pretty straightforward. There really are no, hidden secrets, but there may be some things that you aren't aware of, especially if you're a newer couponer. So I want to go ahead and share those with you. If you have any Ibotta hacks that you want to share, feel free to leave those in the comments below. And let's go ahead and talk about these hacks. So the first hack is to use the barcode scanner that is right beside the search bar. You can type in what you're looking for, or if you actually have a product in hand that you just want to maybe check and see if there's an Ibotta that you missed and you just want to know before you, either buy the item or maybe you're at home and you just want to check over things that you bought to just make sure you're not missing anything. You can do it for that reason. Or the most reason I use the barcode scanner is to verify a certain product rebate that they're advertising, that the product will work for that specific rebate. So you can use it either way you want, but definitely use that feature of the Ibotta app. Something else that comes in handy is rebates reset usually. Not all rebates will reset, but a lot of them will reset usually exactly 24 hours after receiving credit. So it's not after you submit your receipt. Sometimes you submit your receipt and it's usually pretty quick for me anyway, but sometimes, it's an hour later. So in 24 hours, that rebate will reset. And it's important because sometimes maybe you did the deal on a separate card, or maybe you want to go back to the store and do the deal again. It's that amazing. Just note that every 24 hours, it will reset. However, if the first time it's a really high rebate, when it resets, a lot of times it's a lower amount and you might have to buy 2 of them, or sometimes they just lower the amount. If the rebate is a few dollars, a lot of times it'll come back and it'll still be the same amount. So it always varies, but just check back within 24 hours after your receipt clears and you receive credit to see if it reset. Now, let's say it was a limit of 1. If you bought 2 on that receipt, you can submit that same receipt again for that other limit of 1 rebate. Do not try to resubmit receipts for things that you've already gotten credit for. I've heard people have their accounts flagged or locked down or whatever, and they said it was for submitting the receipt again. I have done this so many times for even receipts. Maybe I bought something, submitted a receipt, and then in a few days later, a rebate pops up for something that I have bought on that receipt. I submit that receipt again just for that item. I don't resubmit it for the other things I already received. And I have never had any issues with that. But 24 hours later, if you're looking for an additional savings, definitely check back for rebate resets. Another thing to know is that not all new offers will show up in the new offers tab. Sometimes you just have to scroll and you'll see something and be like, hey, that's a new rebate. And it wasn't in the new tab. I don't know if those brands have to pay a little bit more to get added to the new feature, the new tab, or if it's maybe just glitchy on Ibotta and they don't always put things as new when they are new. But if you're really serious and you really want to check out what's new, you might just have to swipe through the whole thing. I have found this so many times. New offers don't pop up in the new offers tab. So keep that little thing in mind. The next thing to be aware of is if you are working toward any type of bonus that they offer that is non-brand specific, like I'm just saying like a weekend or a midweek bonus, these any item offers work towards those bonuses. It used to not be like that. Usually the any offers were excluded from bonuses, but they now, most of them seem to be including the any item. So make sure you're always checking that. and they will double up. Like I just recently bought vitamins, and there's a 10-cent any item rebate on any vitamins. If you have the specific brand as a rebate, then they also offer an any item. You can pair those together and actually get 2 rebates for 1 item. And the last hack I have for you, I did a whole video on how Ibotta is sometimes sneaky. Sometimes it will say that you have a certain amount of matched offers or your amount pending. And sometimes when your receipt clears, they do not give you the credit for the amount that they said they were going to. I don't know if they can't find it on the receipt. Even though you scan barcodes, even though everything is checked and everything looks okay, you will get your offers matched and how much money you got back on that receipt later on. And you need to pay attention to make sure that that matches what the original thing said it was going to match, because you won't get an email saying, hey, we didn't find matching offers for this, this, and this rebate, but we credited you for that. So just be watching out for that. There is no warning. You just have to know. Don't take their word for it. Make sure you are getting back the money that you sent for. I have a video on that. I will just link that video down below if you want to watch that whole video. But that is my other hack. That's on you. You need to make sure you are receiving what you are sending in for. So those are the 5 Ibotta hacks or tips to keep in mind as you coupon. If you have anything that I missed, I would love for you guys to comment that down below to help everyone else out that watches this video. I do love Ibotta. It is a great savings app. I believe it's probably the best one out there. They have really grown their business, so many offers available to us, and I love the deals that Ibotta offers us. So this is a promoting video and also some things if Ibotta watches this to be aware of. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. Leave your comments down below, and I will see you in the next one.